In this video, I will teach you how to add images in VideoScribe. Open VideoScribe software, click on Add New Images. There are many categories, you can select any category and add images as per project requirements. Select the required image. You can set the size of the image as per requirements. After resizing and placing the image on the artboard, set the camera position. Click on Element Properties. There are many options, let's explore them one by one. Color shades. Outline. It will create an outline of the selected image. Grayscale. It will convert the image into gray shades. Silhouette. It will fill the image with black color. You can also change the color of the image. Let's explore the drawing options. Draw, move in and fade in. Draw, the image will draw by hand. You can select an tool for drawing. There are different types of hands. Let's play the video. Move in. Select the angle where you want the image to come from. Let's check how it will come. If you select no hand, the image will come without a hand. Fade in, the image will come with a fade in effect. I select the draw option for the image. Graphic filters. Blur, it will blur the image. Select the value. The image will draw with blur effects. Glow, it will add glow to the image. Select the value and blue color. You can set brightness, saturation, and contrast as per your requirements. If you want to add an image outside of the VideoScribe, you can import the image. Click on the Add New Image, click on Import and select your downloaded image. Choose the drawing option as per your requirements. Set the camera option. For this image, I choose Move In option. Let's play our video. The first image will draw and the second image will come from the upside. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video. I will introduce many more exciting videos in the future, so stay tuned.